Hello friends, today we see Google's latest AI tools for students and developers. Number 1. Gemini AI. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. It can answer questions, explain different topics, summarize notes and help with homework. Students can use it to understand concepts more easily. Number 2. NotebookLM. Upload your notes or PDFs. It summarizes them, answers questions about them, and helps with exam revision. It can even create study guides from your own document. Number 3. Google AI Studio. Developers can build AI-powered apps. They can test prompts and create AI features without starting from scratch. Number 4. Gemini Code Assist. Helps programmers write, understand and debug code. It is useful for beginners learning Python, Java, C++ and other programming languages. Number 5. Google AI for learning. AI can create quizzes. It explains different topics step by step. It helps students prepare for exams more efficiently. Conclusion. Google's latest AI tools are making learning smarter and programming easier. Use AI to learn new skills, but always think critically and verify important information. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more educational content.